Ah, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is 6:10 in the evening and we are headed to Aravi Beach. Me on this beautiful black yellow gorilla and two more friends from Autolog, one on Himalayan and one on Hunter. They'll meet us soon ahead. Chalo, bye. So time is 6:10 and the bike is just done 60 kilometers. It's a brand new bike. I so wish there are such empty roads every time, every day. Only a few Sundays have passed that we are seeing such empty roads on Sundays only, and only on certain stretches for some time. I can see traffic jam ahead. The feedback, let's continue. Whenever you're in the first gear and you shift to second gear, you feel that the first gear in this bike is kind of capped for certain power delivery, and as soon as you jump to second delivery there's a leap ahead. And by the way, there is no left side pulling or right side pulling in this bike. I tested it multiple times. If your handle is straight, the bike does go straight. Let me show you ahead once again. There is no major right or left pulling. I mean, whatever left or right pull happens is because of the imbalance in the bike that happens while riding, where what you lose your balance. It's only because of that or because of undulations on the road. Otherwise the bike is really well balanced. I saw certain videos where the people were showing that it is going towards the right, but at least in this particular bike there is no such issue. Let me try again. I have to brake. It's city, it is very dangerous, but I had to show this to you one more time. Really well balanced. And again, even if the imbalance is there, RE is addressing that also in the Himalayan and will address in this thing. I love RE for that. They do not deny the issues, they do accept it and they start working on it, and they provide solutions very soon, unlike many other manufacturers. Why do people do this? A kid is popping out of the sunroof, and the father or whoever is driving is accelerating. By the way, it took us almost 20 minutes for 8 kilometers through the city. This bus driver could have crushed me right now. He was taking reverse without even looking. Kai dada! Idiot. So I was waiting at this Samadhan Vade Wale for more than an hour and these guys just came. They got a puncture on the Hunter. So we'll now start. It's almost 8:10, I guess. Gorilla, I'm loving this bike. Yeah, it's almost 8. So it's still 3.5 hours journey from here. I'm not sure what time we'll reach because we have to halt for a dinner too. 10 बजे डिनर? हाँ उसको बोला 11:30 तक पहुँच जाएगा. हाँ चलेगा. It is almost jet black, completely dark over here. There is no street light whatsoever on any side of the road. Obviously we are passing through kind of jungle and all, but I'm happy that this Gorilla headlight is so powerful that at least in this complete dark it is giving a good throw. Of course, when there is oncoming traffic, there's a little trouble, but otherwise if you can see, the throw is really good. I mean, even my Scrambler is not having such good headlight. Dominar, Apache to some extent have good headlight. I do need fog lamps on those too, but this standalone, if you see the patch, it has got good amount of good throw headlight, good coverage, at least in low beam, up to 50, 60, 70 kmph you can have a good throw. Probably covered around 57-60 kilometers from home in this past 1.5-2 hours, and stopped raining right now, but the environment, the weather around is like nice, soothing, not extremely cold but kind of misty. mild, cold, cool, I would say. And we're enjoying the ride. It's almost, fog around everywhere that we can see right now. These oncoming cars are really, really, really troublesome. They're coming with full high beam. So overall, we are keeping very low speeds at corners and all. We are coming down to 30, 40, and on straights we are doing somewhere around 60, 70 kmph on an average. I hope there's not much trouble ahead since it is completely dark and I guess it might rain soon. We're passing through fog right now, or maybe clouds. Completely cloudy upstairs. I mean, not upstairs, but around us completely. I'm not sure if the face was capturing this clouds, but superb, man, loving it. We had dinner over here. It's almost 10:20 now. We halted for an hour. Nice paneer butter masala and roti. And it rained a bit in the meantime. It is still raining. I hope it doesn't rain way too much later. Spira was the restaurant. They were also closing down. We stopped because Sanju's map all of a sudden stopped. और हम लोग माइलेज चेक कर रहे थे. ये तो ब्रांड न्यू इंजन है, फिर भी 28.6 दिखा रहा है. अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 25 आराम से मिलता रहेगा. संजू को 40.6 दिखा रहा है ऑन इज हिमालय. अभी घाट सेक्शन में. I did a tank full over here and Sanju and Alex got their raincoats on because the rains have increased. I might keep the Insta inside. I stopped using Insta in rains. I damaged the mic. Good morning. Yesterday I removed the camera and this is where we were staying. We reached at around 12 o'clock. Charges for one room, one small room where 2 mattresses were given and we all 4 slept there. I think they were like 2240 for one night. It's actually for 24 hours, but since we stays only for last night and till morning. These are our bikes and we'll now head out to the beach, some photo shoot and the vigor and then home. I'll end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. See you in the new one. Don't miss out the part 2 and like, share, subscribe.
I didn't wanna see you when you came home.